Hi all. I'm just coming on here to give you a quick update on the ebook edition. Now, if you're watching this on Instagram, they cut out after 90 seconds, so be sure to click through to watch the full video on YouTube. Okay, so I just want to clarify a couple things about the ebook. Yes, it's for sale everywhere, Kindle, Nook, Google, Apple, all that good stuff. And unfortunately, folks are not loving the fixed ebook version. So I just wanted to show it to you and kind of explain where the thinking came from for doing a fixed ebook. So first of all, it's not a PDF. It is a legitimate ebook with, table of contents and clickable links and all that good stuff. But the idea is when you have a book that has a lot of graphics and has a lot of step-by-step instructions, everybody recommended that I go with the fixed ebook. That fixes the words with the pictures. Now, I don't have a Kindle reader, so I didn't realize that Kindle would be so restrictive in what it can do. Because of course on Mac, if I'm, want to see a full spread, if I want to say, okay, I want it really big, I can turn my phone or my tablet, and I can see that text as large as I want, or I can see it two spreads, or I can, do it one way. I can do anything I want when it's Mac. However, that is not the case with Kindle. So I'm going to show you what the new Flowable version looks like. So for anyone that's purchased the ebook, you're going to get an update in a couple weeks letting you know what's called the Flowable version is ready. We asked whether or not people would be allowed to keep both. The answer is no. It's out of the publisher's control. Ebooks are run by the ebook vendor. So Kindle is run by Amazon, and Nook by Barnes & Noble, Google, etc. So I wanted you to be able to choose which one, but that is not an option, which means if you're on an Apple device and you love the fixed book, you love the images, you love the colors, you love it looking exactly like a book, don't update, keep it. But if you want the Flowable version, then go ahead and update it. My recommendation, really and truly, for the best book experience, particularly since the ebook is so inexpensive, is get them both. Get the regular book so that you have the actual layout, so that you have the text, the step-by-steps images next to each other, that you have it all in beautiful full color, that you have all the graphics, that you have that book experience for when you're curled up in your knitting chair and you want to really look at a good book. Then you can have the ebook for sticking in your knitting bag. You've got your tablet, you've got your phone, you have easy access to a quick reference. So I'm going to show you two things. One, I want to show it to you on a tablet. This is the Flowable version. And then I'm going to show you on the Kindle preview, which allows me, because I don't have a Kindle viewer, that allows me to show you what it looks like on a Kindle, on a phone, Kindle reader, Kindle app. So here we have the Flowable version, just like just like all ebooks. It has a table of contents that you can jump to, but it also has the ability to change font size. So I can make this font as large as I want. I can, change the color. I can do vertical scrolling if I wanted. I'm going to turn that off so I have real book experience. So this is on a tablet. So of course I can also turn it and I can get to one page. I'm going to make that, see how big that text goes. Oh, okay. So it goes really big. I'm just going to kind of put it in the middle. And of course you have, all the other ebook controls. You have your bookmarks, your notes, your table of contents, etc. You can jump to something. You also have the search feature where I can say, show me every, mention of Gage, for instance, right? And you can jump to a section. So So that actually jumped to a table of contents which said Gage. I chose a bad one. But anyway, we try whenever we can to lock the words with the images. But as you can see down here at the bottom of the page where it says ribbing column of pearls, well, there you do have a page turn before the image. And there's really no way to avoid that when you have a flowable version that allows you to change the fonts and the font size. Pros and cons. Everything in life has pros and cons. So just want to show it to you in the Kindle preview. So this is what it looks like in the Kindle Reader, which of course is a black and white scenario. And of course you have the same thing. You have the ability to, here, let me go to I'm going to jump over to, go to my table of contents, just jump over to someplace. So of course you have the ability to change the font size. You have the ability to change the font itself. You have all the Kindle capability. This is what it looks like on a phone. So again, this is my preview, so I can see what it looks like on all devices. And this is what it looks like on the tablet. This is the Kindle app for the tablet. So it has all that Kindle functionality. It's just not the same look as the real book. So there you go. We heard you. You didn't love the flowable. I mean, you didn't love the fixed ebook. And obviously we've all worked so hard on the book that it's a heartbreak to see a 1-star review on Amazon that says, in the text, that says 5-star for content, but 1-star for Kindle. So what I'm hoping is that you all love the flowable version. And if you did give the book a negative review, even though you loved the book itself, I hope you'll consider amending your review. I believe you can delete a review and re-review. I'm not sure if you can edit a review, but anyway, that's if you love the book, but you just didn't love the Kindle version. So now, if you love the new Kindle Flowable version, I hope that you will love the book as well. So that's it. That's my update. Thanks for listening.